Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover string. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover string operators. We can use plus operator to concatenate string, asterisk to repeat string, bracket to access character in string, bracket with range to access range of character from string, in and not in operator to check whether substring is present in string or not. Small r or capital R, to print raw string ignoring escape sequence. Small u or capital U, to store a string in 16-bit Unicode. Normally string will be stored in 8-bit ASCII. Percentage, to perform string formatting. In the next program, I am going to cover escape sequence. New line character or /n moves the cursor to next line. Return carriage or /r removes entire line. Backspace or /b removes one character or inserts one backspace. Form feed or /f inserts page break. Horizontal tab or /t inserts horizontal tab. Vertical tab or /v inserts vertical tab. Alert or /a gives alert sound in computer. Special characters, that is /double quote, /single quote, // etc. Unicode escape sequence, which begins with /u, ends with 4 digits in hexadecimal. Hexadecimal escape sequence, which begins with /x. 41 in hexadecimal is equivalent to 65, which is equivalent to letter A. Octal escape sequence, which begins with / followed by 3 octal digits. 101 in octal is equivalent to 65, which is equivalent to letter A. In the next program, I am going to cover string formatting operator. String formatting operator for a character is %c. Signed decimal integer is %d or %i. Exponential notation is %e or %E. Floating point is %f. Smaller between floating point and exponential is %g or %G. Octal integer is %o. String is %s. Unsigned decimal integer is %u. Hexadecimal integer is %x or %X. In the next program, I am going to cover multi-line string. We can assign multi-line string to variable using 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. In the next program, I am going to cover string methods. We can capitalize first letter of string using capitalize method. Convert string to lowercase using case fold method. Move string to center with specific width and character fill using center method. Count substring in string from optional start position to optional end position using count method. Encode string with encoding using encode method. Decode encoded string using decode method. Check whether string is ending with particular substring using ends with method. Expand tab size using expand tabs method. Find substring in string using find method. Get index of substring in string using index method. Check whether string is having only alphanumeric using isAlnum method. Check whether string is having only alphabetic using isAlpha method. Check whether string is having only decimal using isDecimal method. Check whether string is having only digit using isDigit method. Check whether string is having only identifier using isIdentifier method. Check whether string is having only lowercase using isLower method. Check whether string is having only numeric using isNumeric method. Check whether string is having only printable characters using isPrintable method. Check whether string is having only space using is_space method. Check whether string is having title case, using is_title method. Check whether string is having only uppercase, using is_upper method. Join the sequence with delimiter, using join method. Get length of string, using len method. We can left justify string, using ljust method. Convert string to lowercase, using lower method. Strip string from left, using lstrip method. Get maximum character from string, using max method. Get minimum character from string, using min method. Partition string into 3 parts, using partition method. Replace substring in string, using replace method. Find substring in string from right, using rFind method. Find index in string from right, using rIndex method. Right justify, using rjust method. Partition string into 3 parts from right, using rPartition method. Strip string from right, using rstrip method. Split string, using split method. Check whether string starts with particular substring, using starts with method. Strip string from both sides, using strip method. Swap case string, using swap case method. Convert string to title case, using title method. Translate string based on table, using translate method. Convert string to uppercase, using upper method. Fill string from left with zeros, using zfill method. Split lines based on new line character, using splitlines method. In the next program, I am going to cover reading string from command line. We can use input method to read string from command line and store it in variable. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Python program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.